Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $12 for absolutely free, and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal, Payer, Dana, GCash, TRX and ATM. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see notification as soon as we upload a video. Let's go to the video. This app name is BigCash Prizes. First we need to open the app. When you open the app, you will first be asked to agree to your privacy policy. Click agree and continue to agree. Okay, this is the home page of the app. Click here and log into the app through a Google account of your choice. After logging in, come back to the home page and click daily check-in to get the 30 coins get daily. You pay 30 coins to log into this app every day. Okay, then click play. Now this is the game center. What you have to do here is to press the ice cube 300 times to get the relevant coins. Now watch this ad and get coins. Okay, I got 100 coins. Do the same and add coins. Next box. You can open this box by watching an ad. Then you can get the coins in this box. Now I want some coins. Next, lucky spin. The other way to collect coins is lucky spin. You can spin this wheel by looking at the ad 20 times a day. I got 20 coins for spinning this wheel. You can try it. The next way to earn money is to play games. You have to spin 6 times. Okay, now let's unlock it. You have to play these two games. Let's open it and see. The first game is to complete the puzzle. You can earn 475 coins a day by completing the puzzle like this. Play this game like this. Okay, I will now look at the ad and collect coins. I got 15 coins. The second game is that you can earn 265 coins per day. I complete first task. I got 15 coins. Next, invite friends. The other way you can earn money from this app is to invite friends. If someone gives you an invite code to this app, you will get 200 coins and 20% of the coins he or she earns. If you also want 200 free coins, give my code here. Next, withdraw. There is a possibility to withdraw up to $12 from PayPal, which can be obtained using the methods of PayPal, Payer, Dana, GCash, TRX and ATM. Go to the link in the description and download this app and see more details for yourself. Okay, so that's all that I have to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.